Barebone PCs are basically the Lego sets of desktops. You're not paying for random parts you don't want. You pick your own RAM, storage, and build something tiny that fits your exact needs. In 2026, these mini machines are way more powerful and useful than people expect. ASUS NUC 14 Pro Plus. This is the mini PC you buy when you want serious performance in the smallest possible box. The NUC 14 Pro Plus feels almost unreal when you first see it on a desk. It's tiny, but it absolutely doesn't behave like a small PC. Once you add good RAM and an SSD, it flies through everyday work like browsing, spreadsheets, coding, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. It's also surprisingly good for light creative work like photo editing or short video projects. What really stands out in daily use is how quiet and efficient it is. Even when you push it, the fans don't go crazy. Port selection is excellent too, so running dual or even triple monitors feels effortless. This is perfect for people who want a clean desk setup, a powerful home office, or a compact workstation that doesn't look boring. ASUS NUC 15 Pro Slim Barebone Kit. This one is all about staying future-ready while staying invisible. The slim design makes it super easy to mount behind a monitor or tuck away so your desk looks minimal. In daily use, it feels very modern. Fast boot times, smooth multitasking, and great efficiency for long workdays. It's ideal for office work, coding, remote jobs, and even light creative tasks when paired with enough RAM. What I like most is how flexible it is. You can build it cheap for basic productivity or spec it up for heavier workloads. It's also great if you want something that'll still feel relevant a few years down the line without needing a full desktop upgrade. MSI Cubi NUC 1MG. This is the no drama, just works mini PC. MSI's Cubi series is designed for stability and long hours, which makes it perfect for home offices, small businesses, or shared family computers. In real-world use, it handles daily tasks smoothly. Web browsing, documents, video calls, streaming, and light multitasking all feel effortless. It's also easy to open up and upgrade, which is great if you want to start small and add more RAM or storage later. The Cubi doesn't try to be flashy, but that's exactly why it's dependable. If you want a compact PC that you can trust to run all day without noise or overheating, this one makes a lot of sense. ASUS ExpertCenter PN54. This is where compact meets surprisingly capable. The PN54 feels like a proper mini workstation once you build it out. It's excellent for people who live in browser tabs, spreadsheets, and productivity apps all day, or developers who want a small but strong coding machine. Running multiple monitors feels smooth, and the system stays responsive even when you're pushing it with multitasking. What stands out is how well it balances power and size. It doesn't feel underpowered, and it doesn't feel overkill either. This is a great pick for professionals who want something small, clean, and powerful without moving to a full tower. AZULLE Byte4. This one is a bit different from the rest. The Byte4 is built for situations where the PC needs to stay on, stay quiet, and stay out of sight. It's commonly used for digital signage, conference rooms, kiosks, or as a dedicated media PC. In everyday use, it's simple and stable, perfect for streaming, presentations, dashboards, or basic office tasks. You're not buying this for raw performance, you're buying it for reliability and silence. If you need a tiny PC that you can mount, forget about, and trust to run consistently, this is exactly what it's designed for. If you want premium power in a tiny box, the NUC 14 Pro Plus is hard to beat. If you want something slim and future-ready, NUC 15 Pro Slim is a great choice. For reliability and value, MSI Cubi and ASUS PN54 shine. And if you need an always-on hidden PC, the AZULLE Byte 4 fits that role perfectly.